Today we are at Station Road in Norton Fitzwarren. Behind me is this gorgeous 3-bedroom semi-detached property with a garage and parking to the rear, beautifully presented throughout. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
You never really know. Running out of breath. Need you to pull me up. Hell is raining down. I need you to come around. I call it love. You think I'm crazy. You're trying to work the angles on me. You're playing with my heart. If I'm not mistaken, you're trying to work the angles on me. You cut so deep.
So if you've loved this property just as much as we do, then please do get in touch. Thank you.
Looking for some truth. I can't rely on you. Hell is raining.